Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you a full guide on how to share your live location in Messenger. Whether you want to let your friends know where you are or coordinate meetups, this guide has got you covered. Let's get started. If you haven't already downloaded the Messenger app, head over to the Play Store or App Store on your device. In the search bar, type Facebook Messenger. Look for the app with a chat bubble icon, featuring a sideways lightning bolt and a gradient between purple and blue. Tap on it, and then tap on Install to download it. Once you've installed the app, sign into your account using your login credentials. You'll be directed to the Messenger home screen. Now let's explore how to share your live location in Messenger. Tap on a chat to open a conversation with the person or group you want to share your location with. In the bottom left corner, tap on the 4 dots to access additional options. Next, tap on Location. You'll see a blue GPS location tray icon. Messenger will request permission to access your location. Allow the app to access the location by granting the requested permissions. Once you've granted the permissions, Messenger will locate your position automatically. Finally, tap on Share Live Location to start sharing your real-time location with the selected recipients. And that's it. You've successfully shared your live location in Messenger. Your friends will now be able to see where you are in real time. We hope you found this full guide helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.